How often should you replace your car's air filter? You should replace your car's air filter about every 12,000 miles, or roughly once a year for most drivers, though it can vary depending on how dusty your driving conditions are. Think of your air filter like a screen door for your engine. Every time your engine breathes in air to burn fuel, that air passes through this filter first, and its job is to catch dirt, dust, bugs, and other tiny particles before they can get inside and cause damage. Over time, all that trapped debris starts clogging up the filter, kind of like how a screen door gets covered in dust and stops letting a breeze through as easily. When that happens, your engine has to work harder to pull in the air it needs, which can lower your gas mileage and even reduce your engine's power a little bit. Here's something a lot of people do not know though. A dirty air filter does not just hurt performance, it can also affect your spark plugs and oxygen sensors over time, because the engine's fuel mixture gets thrown off balance. The good news is, checking it yourself takes less than 5 minutes. You just pop the hood, find the air filter box, usually a black rectangular case, and pull out the filter to see if it looks dark, dusty, or clogged. One common mistake is assuming you need a mechanic to check this, when really anyone can do it at home with zero tools most of the time. Another thing people overlook is driving in dusty or rural areas, which means you might need to check your filter every 3,000 miles instead of waiting a full year. A simple tip here is to just hold the filter up to a light, and if you cannot see light shining through it clearly, it is time for a new one. And replacements usually cost less than $25. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.